feeling me. Oh, all for you, but it was serious.
I'm trying it. Hello, lovely people. It's the Valentine edition of Cook to Save 2015, and this year we have Marshall University being paired with Best Western Hotel. Our purpose for meeting Chef Jeff today is to discuss about the menu. And the menu for 2015 Cook to Save is jollof rice and chicken. Our meeting here is to know Chef Jeff and Marshall University also knowing their chef and building that sort of relationship. Chef Jeffrey, these are your students. They are from Marshall University College. My name is Naneke Ainifi, and I have here with me
Ralph.
Joyce.
Welcome to Best Western.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, and I hope you have a fruitful discussion today. Enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
Like the lady rightly said, we are from Marshall University College, and we are here to formalize ourselves with you for this year's Cook to Save concept, which was brought up by Right Multimedia. This year we were paired with the best. The best is Best Western. Yes, so we have confidence that meeting you today will go a long way. This year we are preparing jollof rice with either beef or chicken. So we would like to know, which one would you think we should go with? Should we go with the beef or the chicken?
Go with the chicken.
Okay. 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 So you'd rather prefer chicken to beef? Okay. So what are the ingredients that we need to prepare this food? What are some of the things we have to add and some of the things we have to take out?
Okay. So in the jollof rice, right now, nice quality of rice. We have to do it first, ginger, onions. So that's the jollof. For the chicken, buy the chicken now. It's more tasty.
So would we use the chicken for a sauce or would we just fry it? What do you do?
Better with sauce. Chicken is cute. So that is the most
And I would like to say something for the jollof rice. Do you mind if we can add some vegetables to it?
Yes, you can add it. You can add carrots, garden peas, green pepper. So mix it nice, presentable. Best Western and Marshall University to win this competition.
Watch out other competing schools. This is Marshall's. We've been paired with the best Western Hotel. You can't touch this. We are higher than 1,000 degrees and now we are closer than M&N. You can't touch this. Girls, let's get out of here.
Go Marshall! Best Western! Go! My name is Jacinta Amo Apreku and we have Barbara, Selassie, Joyce, Delphina. Everyone, we are Marshall University. Think innovation, think possibilities. And we are pairing with Best Western Premium Hotel. And today we are here to shop ahead to the Cook to Save competition. We are here to have our shopping as we having jollof rice with some spicy chicken. So come with me girls, let's go shopping. Cheers!
the modern tune Pemiana. Shy, Pemiana. My papi man for my sponsor. Minimum say one no me, ne ye me a rap. He said na bread you made the CKD rough. Odo me be, me sit down for them home boss. Me blame you, inflation are rising high. My shelf for your life. Odo me praise you, but just say the course of fight. You lose more like shy. Hey, so again there, we wait with the car for now again again. It's so cool you could have again say. Put it to come on into job or they'll in the hot.
But we thank our mommy for helping us. We love her so much. And Marshalls, we are the best Marshalls. Oh!